down and ended up doing vacation ownership. I worked at Wyndham about 3 years, and then I've been here since 2014. So.
Oh, so you've been here since the beginning? Almost. You said 2012?
14.
No, but when they started.
Yeah, 14.
You started at the very beginning.
So, and all the grandkids of the founder of Stillwaters and we all grew up together. We went to a small school together, and we're
Hey guys, we are seeing the room here in a Times Square. Huge bathroom. But you know what? I just don't like that is very open. Looks like only one person can use it at the same time. So this is different from what we are staying right now.
Yeah. Do you still live in Reed Springs?
Yes.
Almost.
My address is Galena, but it's a Reed Springs School District. My folks live about 2 miles down the road from me, and then I've got 3 younger siblings. We're all within about a 5-mile radius. So yeah, I just, at the end of the day, just wanted to be close to home and close to family and close to the lake. And I grew up here. It's hard sometimes to leave.
What's this called? 2-bedroom deluxe or something?
No, this is just a one.
One?
Yep. So this is a 5-bedroom across the floor, but lockouts between each unit.
Okay.
So this is a 1-bedroom luxury. You got a 1-bedroom luxury there, 1-bedroom luxury there, and then the studio units on the end. And then you just pick whatever combination you need for rooms when you're coming, and then it's just all points. All the couches pull out to full-size queens. All the balconies connect.
So this is a
It's raining hard. Oh yeah, this was I was saying yesterday, that it will be very good. People are lucky to stay here because it's overlooking the swimming pool.
But we're not overlooking the lake over there. I like that too. It's like I wish they had a grill.
Oh, mini grill.
But how does that work? Is it like the 5 people get the 5 room, if people want 5 rooms to get the first shot at it? How far in advance do you have to go? Like to get your summer?
Really? Oh, if you're coming in summer, at least 3 months.
2 months. And if you want the again, people don't know where they're at.
It's raining hard, guys. This is DIY. I like it.
Well, if the room that you're in now over there doesn't look like this on the inside, then you're staying in the nightly lounge.
Okay, alright. The 2-bedroom night,
Okay.
so this is our scene.
In some other resort, they make space on that big area up there, like put another floor up there. Big space up there.
Actually, everything's the same except we've got two entrances to the balcony. Yeah, it's a nightly rental, but
Okay.
I mean, bathroom's the same, that's the same in terms of what we see in it. It's just the kitchen's different and there's a bigger front.
Okay.
I see. But it's called a nightly rental because it's one of those reserved for RCI and
Yes, and then just booking through front desk as just a night-by-night rental unit.
yeah. But when you work with RCI, you have to give them so many rooms, right?
Yes, that's
Okay.
correct.
But you say you worked it out with RCI so that they've got